After captivating cricket fans from all over the world, BGT has become the more exciting now. After one each tied match, now we are going to Gaba. Now Gaba had become once again a challenge for both the teams.
Our Indian players has to face another challenge. Not not only a tough pitch, but even Josh Hazelwood in it. He is fit and back again in team. And yeah, as you remember in first test, it will be a great news for Australians.
No, he is Josh Hazelwood is complete test bowler. Like the line and length, that good length, what we say. He bowls each and every ball in that good length. Not even this one, what? Not even a short, not even a full length. That good length. And each and every ball there in that single point. And also the pace, the consistency in pace. I think this is not done by all. It is a specialized skill of some bowler. And Josh Hazelwood is one among them.
Yeah. Speaking of BGT, in first match, he had a 5-wicket haul. That was the highest for any of the Aussie bowlers. He was the reason that India struggled in first innings and collapsed for such a low score. And he even took like wickets of Virat and Padikkal who are getting settled. And yeah, other important wickets.
No. His average just 2.9. Even if it is a losing match, like when you are losing with 200 runs and all, and you have an economy of 2.9, which is a very good thing. And Josh Hazelwood, that even the taking wickets of Indian batters, he loves that.
Gaba has been being a base friendly pitch and bouncy track. He is going to be effective there and he is going to bounce the cricket batsman of India.
No. Either it is bouncy track or flat track. The 8-meter length, that what they say. Josh Hazelwood knows to find that very well. Like Josh Hazelwood is very cool in finding 8-meter length in flat pitches, like how boys are poor at finding 8-inch cleavage in flat chests.
He bows in and out there.
Ball slips in and ball slips out from that point.
Because there is no balls in that flat pitch.
Don't know. Ball don't give. Ball don't gives there. The slips.
Coming back to the topic, staying in the topic, its accuracy is ultimate. Like he doesn't even bowl a single wide in a whole day. So it's only in a whole match.
No, actually speaking, he follows that board. Textbook bowling is there. Like how the hand up, the wrist movement, body movement, body structure, while releasing point, he follows each and everything. He follows each and everything on point. That's why it's very less that he gets injured or bowls wide. He may bowl no ball, but not wides. It's very rare in tests, and he is one among.
Yeah, and like he is more of a New Zealand bowler than an Australian bowler. If you see carefully. More like Bolt and Southey.
No, actually, Josh Hazelwood likes taking wickets who attacks him, like who attacks the ball. Like he is very he finds difficult taking wickets of people who defend, who protects wicket and keep defending ball. But Indian players today forgot that they can even defend. They have to protect wickets. Test is of 5 days. They forgot that.
Yeah.
India team today. Now they are all following Basbor.
They got inspired from a bad cricket world. Like even Virat Kohli steps out to beat the swing. He gets out for six-stump ball. Six-stump ball. And like Rishabh Pant, we can understand it's like with Sahil. No, but others.
Virat Kohli, 6-stump ball, edge, second slip catch. Always the same thing.
It's like we see that highlight in every test match. Okay.
No, Virat Kohli also follows that how to get out in a disciplined way. He is so disciplined that he even follows how to get out in a disciplined way. Always.
Now, my question is, who is going to take wicket of Virat Kohli? Sorry. How much wicket is he going to take on by Josh Hazelwood?
No. One of Virat Kohli and rest. Seriously saying, at least 5 to 6. 5 to 6. If Stark doesn't take wickets of Jaiswal and others like Gill, KL Rahul in first session,
Basically, the Stark doesn't take wicket before we woke up. Wake up. Heck, no.
but there's I guess no. If by the time this video is getting uploaded and we wake up, if Stark doesn't take, Hazelwood will be having 1 or 2 wickets.
No. According to me, he is going to take only 1 or 2 wickets. Like in each second, he is going to take 2 wickets.
Each innings. ಭಯಂಕರ ಮಾರಿ ಸ ಯಾಮ್ ಭಯಂಕರ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟ